Good morning. It's day 8.
Yes, it is. Unbelievable. We are over halfway done with the Coast to Coast.
Yes, we are.
Yes, and today we're just hanging out with nature.
We're going to read you a little bit of the description from the book on day 8. We're in the Swaledale Valley of North Yorkshire.
That's right. And we took the low level route today. And here we go. Kick back and enjoy the first leisurely stage for a while. Stop frequently to admire the valley and commune with nature.
That's what we're doing. We're sitting by this river and we're going to commune with nature.
Lovely. Aww. Good evening.
Well, we've made it to Wreath, and I'm feeling really rested, Diane.
Well, of course, it's only been a 12-mile day.
Oh, yeah. It was really a wonderful, beautiful day in the Swaledale Valley.
That's right. We walked along the river. It was so beautiful.
We had a great day communing with nature.